viewers, welcome to our channel APNTS Max Solutions by Roja. If you are the first viewer of our channel, then please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get latest notifications in your mobile. Students, shall we start the class? Okay, కొంచెం మీ క్లాస్ వరకు అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోండి. నేను యాక్చువల్గా అవుట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేషను, దట్స్ వై బుక్ యూస్ చేసి రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను. బోర్డ్ అవైలబిలిటీ లేదు, సో అడ్జస్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Okay, so in the last class we already discussed exercise 1.1 Roman number 1 problem. So 9 problems are there. In the last video we already discussed these 9 problems by using properties of rational numbers. What are the properties of rational numbers? Closure property, associative property, distributive property, additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. These properties we learn in the earlier classes. By using all these properties we solve these problems. Okay, did you remember the properties? Once let us see the properties. First one is closure property. If a comma b belongs to Q, then there exists a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divided b also belongs to Q. Q means rational numbers. In division condition, if we exclude 0 from the rational number, then remaining all the numbers are belongs to Q. Is it clear? And second one, commutative property. What is meant to be commutative property? Rational number satisfy commutative property under addition and under multiplication. A plus b equals to b plus a, or a into b equal to b into a. For subtraction and division, commutative property does not satisfy on rational numbers. Is it clear? And next one, associative property. If a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. And next one, a into b into c equal to a into b into c. Okay, associative property also satisfies under addition and under multiplication. So associative property does not satisfy rational numbers under subtraction and under division. Okay, next, identity, additive identity and multiplicative identity. So additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1. Inverse, additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Inverse of a is minus a. For example, inverse of 3 is minus 3. Okay, next, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse in the sense, for example, so 6 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of 6 by 3? Just reciprocal, 3 by 6. Is it clear? So shall we start the class? Okay. Next, distributive property. So in the distributive property we use two binary operations, addition over multiplication, subtraction and over multiplication. Let us write subtraction also. A into b minus c equals to a into b minus a into c. Okay, so see the problems. In the first Roman, name the property involved in the following example. Second Roman, write the additive and the multiplicative inverses of the following. Here they gave 5 problems and 5 examples. So what they are asking is write the additive and multiplicative inverses of the following. So let us see. So write the given problem. Exercise 1.1 second problem. Write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. So first let us take all the problems. Minus 3 by 5, 1, 0, 7 by 9 and minus 1. What they are asking? Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Okay, first write all additive inverses. So what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse of a is minus a. Yes. So let us see here. Inverse. A plus of minus a equal to 0. Ante ichina number ki what is meant by additive identity? 0 is the additive identity. Then how to find additive inverse? మనం ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్కి ఏ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి 0 అనేది ఆన్సర్గా వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈజ్ ఎడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ నెంబర్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? సో లెట్ us see here. What is the first number? Minus 3 by 5. So which number we add to minus 3 by 5 to get 0? Very good. Plus 3 by 5. Yes. So look at this. Minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Is it clear? Right? Minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So both are minus value plus value. Both are get cancelled. The answer is 0. Is it clear? So did you understand how to write additive inverse? Just change the symbol of the given number and write the answer. Is it clear? So additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Is it clear? Here plus 1 additive. So minus 1 plus of minus 1 is nothing but 0. Then what is the additive inverse of 0? Is minus 0 or plus 0? No, 0 is neither negative nor positive. So for additive inverse and multiplicative inverse does not exist. Is it clear? Okay, why? Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. And next 7 by 9. So here this is a plus 7 by 9. So minus 7 by 9 is the additive inverse. Okay, and next minus 1. What is the inverse of additive inverse of minus 1? Very good. 1. Just to change the sign. If it is positive, write negative value. If it is negative, write positive value. Did you understand how to find additive inverse? Okay. Shall I move to the multiplicative inverse? Okay. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5. Just write reciprocal. Does not change the symbol. So minus 3 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5? Minus 5 by 3. No need to change the sign. No problem. If we want to change, no problem. Minus 5 by 3 or 5 by minus 3. Okay. No problem. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 1? Here what is the meaning of 1? That means 1 by 1. Yes. So here both numerator and denominator are same. So multiplicative inverse is also a 1. So what is meant by multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative identity is 1. So given number ki మనం ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ 1 వస్తుందో దట్ ఈస్ meant by multiplicative inverse. For example 1 into 1. What is the answer? 1. Okay, is it clear? And next 0. So again 0 is nor positive and neither positive nor negative. So does not exist. Okay, why? Because 0 ki మీరు ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినా the answer is 0. 0 into 1 or 0 in something, the answer is 0. But multiplicative, what is meant by what is multiplicative identity? 1 is multiplicative identity. So for 0 it is not possible to find multiplicative inverse. Okay, and next 7 by 9. So 9 by 7. Let us see here. 7 by 9. 9 by 7. 9 gets cancelled. 7 gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Okay. Multiplicative identity is 1. So multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 is 9 by 7. And next minus 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? Let us find here. Minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 gets cancelled. Minus into minus plus 1. Okay. So multiplicative inverse is minus 1. Did you understand how to find additive inverse and multiplicative inverses? Shall I move to the next Roman? Okay. So let us see next Roman. Next Roman is fill in the blanks. Exercise 1.1 Roman number 3. Fill in the blanks. So here they are given 6 problems. So let us see first problem. For these, first observe what is given in the problem and what we have to find. If we observe properly, then it is in the form of any one property. Closure property, commutative property, additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse and distributive properties. Is it clear? Let us observe properly. So which form it is? So let us see. So this is LHS part. LHS means left hand side and RHS part right hand side. Is it clear? So here minus 1 by 17 plus something equals to minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. So here LHS part one value is in the RHS part and one one number is missing in the LHS part. What is that? Observe properly. A plus B equals to B plus A. Why? Because here both the A values are same. So A plus B equals to B plus A. What is this property? A plus B equal to B plus A. What is this property? Very good. Commutative property. Commutative property. So by this, A plus B equal to B plus A. So here A value is minus 1 by 17 and B value is minus 12 by 15. So the answer is minus 12 by 15. Is it clear? First observe how many values are given. If 2 values or 3 values. So here only 2 values. One is minus 1 by 17. So second one is minus 12 by 5. Just write A, B, C. So let us look at this. A plus something equal to B plus A. Is it clear? B plus A. So A plus B equal to B plus A. It is commutative property. Okay. And let us see second one. Minus 2 by 3 plus something equals to minus 2 by 3. So what is this meaning? Ikkada minus 2 by 3 ki manam oka value anedi add cheste we will get again minus 2 by 3. So then what is the value? Tell me what is the value? For example 1 plus dash equal to 1. 1 ki manam ఏ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది? వెరీ గుడ్, 0. మనం ఏదైనా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ రావాలి అన్నప్పుడు ఏం యాడ్ చేస్తాము? 0. సో minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Let us see here. Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. That means A plus of something equals to A. So 0. A plus 0 equals to A or 0 plus A equals to A. Which property it is? Very good. Additive identity. So next let us see 1 into something equals to 9 by 11. So let us see here 1 into something equals to A. So what is the answer here? 9 by 11. అంటే మనకి 1ని ఏ నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు సో సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది మనకు వస్తుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ let us see here. So let us see here. For example ఇప్పుడు 3 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3. 3ని మనం ఏ నెంబర్ పెట్టి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఆన్సర్ మనకు 3నే వస్తుంది? 1. ఓకే, డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? సో లైక్ దట్ హియర్ 1 into dash equals to 9 by 11. What is the answer here? 9 by 11. సో మనకు 9 by 11 ఆన్సర్ రావాలన్నప్పుడు 1ని మళ్ళీ ఏ నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? సో 1 into 9 by 11. Is it clear? Did you understand? Okay. Next one. Let us see next one. Minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 equals to minus 12 plus 5 by 6. Okay. So let us see how many values are given in the problem. So A plus of B 5 by 6 plus C. Okay. A plus B plus C equals to minus 12 in the sense A plus 5 by 6 is B. So plus dash. First fill the property. A plus of B plus C equals to A plus B plus plus C. That means associative property. Okay. A plus of B plus C equal to A plus of B plus C. Okay. No problem. 6 by 7. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall I move to the next one? So let us see dash into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So let us observe this. How many binary operations are there? Very good. 2 binary operations. What are they? Multiplication and addition. So what is this property? Very good. Distributive property, addition over multiplication. Is it clear? Write distributive property. A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Okay. How to find the property? Very good. So here 2 binary operations are there. So it is distributive property. So here my addition is there. plus, the binary operation is plus. So this is distributive property addition over multiplication. Okay, what is the distributive property? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So let us write this. A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Is it clear? So A value not given, B value 1 by 2. So write here B value 1 by 2, C value, so here C value 1 by 3, C value 1 by 3. So A value 3 by 4. Just write here A value 3 by 4 and last blank here C value. So where is C value? Here. So C value is 1 by 3. Okay, did you understand? Just to find which property it is. So the given problem is which property. First find it. Next one, 6th Roman, minus 16 by 7 plus dash equal to, minus 16 by 7. So here A plus dash equals to A. So A plus dash equal to A. Which property it is? Very good. Additive identity. Only one number is there. So A plus 0. So okay, property వదిలేసి నార్మల్గా అయినా చూడండి. మైనస్ 16 by 7కి మనం ఏ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే అగైన్ మైనస్ 16 by 7 అనేది మనకు రాగలదు 0. సో 0 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ additive identity. Is it clear? Did you understand today's class? Okay. In next Romans 5-6 problems we will see in the next video. Okay. If you are the first viewer of our channel, then please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get latest notifications in your mobile. Thank you.